question. I forgot my wallet at home. Is there any chance I could get like a piece of bread?
No problem. Just want something to eat.
Yeah.
You want a cup of coffee?
You sure?
I paid for it.
Are you sure?
For it, yes.
Why are you doing that?
We're human and we have to be nice to each other.
Very
Never
good.
know when I might see you on the road and you might be of help to me.
I'm Zachary, by the way. Nice
I'm
to
Sonia.
Are you sure?
Yes, I would pay for it. Don't worry about it. I'm very sure. If I wasn't sure, I wouldn't do it. We have to be kind to each other. It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, young man. And you do something nice to somebody every day. Pay it forward, it's called.
Can I pay it forward right now?
Next person you see, pay it forward to somebody.
I actually had my wallet right here
Oh,
at $1,000.
oh my God. This guy is something else. Okay.
For you.
No.
Yeah, I'll pay it forward back to you.
What?
Yeah. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
What's your message to the world?
We were brought up to be kind, not to be hateful. My mother always said we have one blood, and there's no black and white.